The bonus question is question number 6. Good luck to both teams. You want to test your button? Still works. Question number 1 is multiple choice. What is the name given to a 6-sided solid with all sides, angles, and edges equal?
Cube.
C cube is correct. Question number 2 is multiple choice. Which of the following substances is a raw material? A, plexiglass, B, sheet steel, C, paneling, D, wood. D, wood is correct. Question number 3 is multiple choice. Drilling a hole in a piece of material with an electric drill is a process of A, chip removal, B, abrasion, C, forming, D, compression. B, abrasion is incorrect. A, chip removal is correct. Question number 4 is multiple choice. Which term describes the process of producing products in large quantities? A, industrialization, B, mass production. B, mass production is correct. Question number 5. The basic law of magnetism is A, unlike poles attract, like poles repel. A is correct. Question number 6, the bonus question. It is multiple choice. Which of the following aiasa colors represent the high standards, morals, and religious beliefs that we hold?
White.
White is correct. You have the bonus question. What is the aiasa motto?
Done.
It's learning to live in the technical world. But you remember that from here on out. Question number 7 is multiple choice. The formula T times W times L divided by 144 is used to compute the quantity of A, cubic feet, B, board feet. 4 feet is correct. Question number 8 is multiple choice. Automation is used in industry to A, operate everything without people, B, increase sales, C, increase production and reduce cost, D, replace people with machines. C is correct, increase production and reduce cost. Question number 9. What is the best type of printing to use to print a design on a t-shirt? A, offset printing, B, block printing, C, screen printing. Screen printing is correct. Who developed the assembly line system for manufacturing automobiles? A, Eli Whitney, B, Louis Chevrolet, C, Walter Chrysler, D, Henry Ford is correct. Question number 11 is multiple choice. Another name used to define a prototype is A model. A is correct. Which of the following is an obtuse angle? A, 98-degree angle. A is correct. is 70 to 50. River Valley is first. Fairfield is second. Thank you for that excellent job, and congratulations to both. Question number 1. There are currently 7 industrial arts teacher training institutions in Ohio. Name 4 of them.
Time.
Of the 7, you could have said Bowling Green State University, Central State University, Kent State University, Ohio Northern University, Ohio University, Ohio State University, and Wilmington College. Question number 2 is multiple choice. When casting metals, which device is used to compensate for shrinkage as the metal cools? A. Draft. B. Riser. C. Core. D. Sprue. D. Sprue is incorrect. I can repeat the answers for you. A. Draft. B. Riser. C. Core. D. Sprue. Core is incorrect. B. Riser is the correct answer. Question number 3 is multiple choice. In which part of the carburetor is the fuel and air mixed? Oh. The venturi is correct. You have to remind me that. Sometimes just because they're sitting in front of me doesn't mean I can't see. That doesn't mean I can see it. Okay, number 4, the bonus question. What is the cost of a piece of birch lumber that is 1 inch by 12 inch by 24 inch if the current cost is $1,450 per 1,000 board foot? Is it A, $2.90, B, 29 cents, C, A is 2.9 cents, B is 29 cents, C is $2.90, D is $29.
Time.
The answer should have been $2.90. Question number 5 is multiple choice. How many watts are equivalent to 1 horsepower?
746.
746 is correct. Question number 6 is multiple choice. The letterpress operation which produces a raised design on paper is A. Embossing, B. Perforating, C. Laminating, D. Die cutting.
Time.
It is A. Embossing. Question number 7 is multiple choice. Which of the following methods involves gluing and clamping of several pieces of wood?
Lamination.
Laminating is correct. Question number 8 is multiple choice. Which form of plastics is used in the extrusion molding process? A. Granules, B. Beads, C. Flakes, D. Sheet. B. Beads is incorrect. A. Granules, B. Beads, C. Flakes, D. Sheet. Granules is correct. Question number 9 is multiple choice. The operation of cleaning and squaring the cutting face of the grinding wheel on a tool grinder is called. Dressing is correct. Question number 10. What type of electric motor is capable of operating an AC?
Universal.
Universal is correct. Question number 11 is multiple choice. Consumer demand is based upon A, the number of items manufactured, B, advertising, C, inputs and outputs, D, the needs or wants of the consumer. D is correct, the needs and wants of the consumer. Question number 12 is multiple choice. A French curve is used to draw a plotted curve. What is the minimum number of points needed to fit a given section of the French curve at one time? A, 5, B, 2, C, 4, D, 3.
Time.
It is D, 3. By 15, Greenview is the third place winner. God's Bible School is the fourth place winner. Congratulations to you all.
Why? You should have made it.
Wish to test your
Yeah, I
board
think
on
so.
it?
Yeah, he said probably around 5 because they made my little brother go to school. So. But then, I heard that how many people.
Bonus question
I
is question
made my
number
sister.
5. This is for first and second place in Industrial Bowl Level 2. Good luck to both of you. Question number 1 is multiple choice. What is the proper size of wire to be used in wiring?
12.
12 gauge is correct. Question number 2 is multiple choice. If a hydrocarbon such as gasoline
Carbon dioxide and water.
correct. What do the following terms have in common? Lap,
Wood joints.
correct. Multiple choice again for question number 4. A French curve is used to draw a line.
Irregular curve.
Incorrect. The question will be read fully for you. A French curve is used to draw a plotted curve. What is the minimum number of points needed to fit a given segment of the curve at one time? A, 5, B, 4, C, 3, D, 2.
Three.
C3 is correct. Number 5 is the bonus question, and it is multiple choice. An example of the grading system commonly used for engine lubricating oils is 10W40. In this system, the 10W represents the oil's A, weight, B, specific gravity, C, viscosity, D,
C.
viscosity is correct. Now for the bonus question. Which of the following forms of plastic is used in the extrusion molding process? A, granules, B, beads, C, flakes, D, sheets.
Beads.
Beads is incorrect. Granules. Question number 6 is multiple choice. An electric circuit has measured current of 1.2 amps and current resistance of 100 ohms.
120 volts.
Correct. Only in the reading section. Question number 7 is multiple choice. What type of electric motor is capable of operating on AC or DC current? A, repulsion, B, shunt, C, universal, D, compound.
Time.
That's right, we got this. Universal. Shame on you. Question number 8 is multiple choice. Which of the following methods involves the gluing and clamping of several pieces?
Laminating.
Laminating is correct. Question number 9 is multiple choice. The letterpress operation which produces a raised design on paper is A, die cutting, B, embossing. Embossing is correct. Question number 10 is multiple choice. A roof support member designed by engineers to give more stability and help the roof support more weight is called a
Truss.
truss is correct. Number 11 is multiple choice. What is the cost of a piece of walnut lumber that is 2 inches by 6 inches by 36 inches if the current cost is $2,400 per 1,000 board feet? $7.20 is correct. Question number 12. How many watts are equivalent to 1 horsepower?
746.
Correct. The score was 40-70. Mount Gilead wins this one.
You guys got the first, we didn't get the second. Way to go.
Triple overtime, but
I'll work with you and get it passed.
Didn't get anything on it.
What?
He didn't get anything on it.
Yeah, he got everything on it. He's just straight.
Good luck. Good luck on keeping it level.
Set. We've got car 21, yellow car from Fairfield Freshman. 17, the blue car is from Troy. Ready? Set. Go. Okay, the speed portion of the race, the yellow car is the winner. Fairfield Freshman. Now it's only in the speed portion of this contest. Oh, give me fifth place over here. Yes, sir.
How are we in time?
I'm all set.
Are we in finals now? Is that
Yeah.
running?
Yeah,
Senior high finished?
it's done. Junior high's finished.
Well, that's senior.
Senior coming up.
That's what you're doing?
Yeah.
How many cars do you run?
8.
Where are the 8?
Got your blanket in right? Got the faster cars coming now. Ready, set,
On that.
Yeah.
That's what I told him to do. I didn't know if it was legal. I don't know why it wouldn't be.
Pat Jones, all
We always
right.
use Elmer's glue.
Elmer's? What's
Yeah.
it about?
Well, what it does is it just makes it tighter and it doesn't pop off on you. Plus, if you want to get it off, it'll pop right off. The epoxy on it melts
Pat
the
Jones,
plastic.
left lane.
And the wheel will lean. It'll actually make the wheel go like this. Much like set, go!
Neil Shoemaker, left lane. This is in the left lane. Another Indian. Yeah, this. No. Another Indian hill car in the left lane.
Oh, no more blue car. What? About 3 pieces? It lost anyway.
Little chunks.
Ready down there?
Yeah.
Set. Which side you want?
Right side.
8-12.
Hey, at least get third.
John, just set the pull that thing up on the top. Yeah, not real tight, just hang on a little bit. Okay? Go for it. Ready? Here it comes.
9-12.
Don't pack that thing under there, just let it lay on top, John. Pack it under, the car will bounce right down again. Ready? Set. Fastest car, too fastest car. Ready? Set. Ready? Set. Right lane on. First and second, green car wins again its first place. Red and black is third place.
Is it? You should fade away.
program. About 2 years ago, we began to have an awards program in this format. And again, this year, I think it's already proven to be a rewarding experience. It's very nice to see this many people turn out to recognize the accomplishments and achievements of their colleagues and friends. And on behalf of the Ohio Arts Association, I welcome you here. I'll say to you that the format is one that moves rather quickly. And we will be presenting awards on alternate sides of the platform. Ohio Arts Association awards will be presented in the main on this side. The aiasa awards will be presented in the main on this side. We are asking that the recipients, once they have been presented their award, stand in attention for a few minutes and smile so that we can get a picture of them. So if you will cooperate with the individual who is actually handing out the award, maybe hold that handshake a little longer than normal, and we'll try to record it on film. I want to introduce the people that are going to be helping with the program, and I'm going to introduce a few of them now and a few others a little later as we get into the program. First, on my immediate right is Lester Riggle. Les has been serving for quite a number of years as the chairman of the Ohio District Arts Association Awards Committee. And he will be making the presentations of the first set of awards from OIAA. Assisting Les, and in fact shaking hands with people, will be the OIAA Executive Director, Bill Umstead, who is standing against the wall by the table. On the left-hand side, we have David Kramer, who will be speaking to the microphone, announcing the aiasa Awards. And in fact, I believe, Dave, you have the longest duty here today. Assisting with the aiasa Awards, we have both Don Stringer, who is the aiasa advisor, and our outgoing Ohio aiasa President, Eric Bush. There will be other individuals coming to the table a little later. Without prolonging this any longer, if you don't want to hear me, I'm well aware of that. Dave, sure.
If I call your name for honorable mention, please stand up. If you place first through third, then you will come forward. We will start with drafting interpretation level 1. Honorable mention, Steve Hewitt. Honorable mention, Craig Codell. Please hold your applause at the end. Third place, Chris Miller, Fairfield High School. Come on, Chris. Second place, Jim Jones, Mount Gilead Christian. First place, Lane Miller, Mount Gilead Christian. Drafting interpretation level 2. Honorable mention goes to Mark Bishop. Honorable mention goes to Tim Marsh. Third place goes to Tom Evans, River Valley. Second place goes to Jeff Roush, Mount Gilead. First place goes to Don Jackson, Mount Gilead.
The next award by the association is for Ohio's Outstanding Teacher of the Year for 1985. This gentleman teaches at Fairfield Freshman School. Has been teaching for approximately 8 years. He believes that industrial arts is for all students. Graduated from Miami University in 1976. with a Master of Education degree. He's a member of many industrial arts and vocational education groups and has participated in and has presented programs at the Columbus Convention and many other association meetings. He's active in his community with his church and with scout projects. Above all, he motivates students to participate and excel, and I believe this is what it's all about. Dennis Simpson. Please come forward.
Safety poster level 1. Honorable mention goes to Darrell Williams. Honorable mention goes to Shannon Gray. Third place goes to Lance Hutchinson, Greenfield freshman. Second place goes to E. Shipman, Mount Gilead freshman. First place goes to Sheila Hughes, Ottawa Middle School. Safety poster level 2. Honorable mention goes to Tom Kara. Honorable mention goes to Jeff Roush. Third place goes to Scott Johnson, Mifflin High School. Second place goes to Jim Hunt, Nordonia. First place goes to Ben Kern, River Valley.
The next recognition by the association is for the District Teacher of the Year. Each district within the state has the opportunity to choose a district representative or a District Teacher of the Year for this present year. 4 of the districts submitted names, and the name from Midwestern Ohio is Paul Boyer. Paul, would you please come forward?
Honorable mention goes to Bob Whitman. Third place goes to Brian Schaefer, Marysville Middle. Second place goes to Tad Nicholson, Mount Gilead freshman. First place goes to Susan Hubbard, God's Bible. Level 2. Honorable mention goes to John Voss. Honorable mention goes to Doug Crum. Third place, Chad Potter, London. Second place, Dave Decker, North Union. First place goes to Vonda Peasley, God's Bible.
Teacher of the Year, we'd like to honor at this time from East Central.
Honorable mention to Virgil Schofield. Third place goes to Ron Abbott, Marysville Middle. Second place goes to Mike Huber, North College Hill. First place goes to Daniel Cash, God's Bible. Pair writing level 2. Honorable mention, David Groff and Randy McQuistis. Third place goes to Scott Johnson, Mifflin High School. Second place goes to Esther Yaron, God's Bible School. First place goes to Dory Woods, North College Hill. Honorable mention to Dwayne DeLille and Bob Belcher. Third place goes to John Stubers, Ottawa Middle. Second place goes to Lorena West, Greenfield, freshman. First place goes to Rob Pickering, Fairfield, freshman. Level 2. Honorable mention goes to Mike Kirsch and Clarence Hughes. Third place goes to Mike Gross, North Union. Second place goes to John Higgins, Mount Gilead. First place goes to Eric Bush, Mount Gilead. Prepared speaking. Honorable mention goes to Scott Rasp and Rob Pickering. Third place goes to Pat Patton, River Valley. Second place goes to Kathy Wesley, North College Hill. First place goes to Lorena West, Greenfield Freshman. Lorena West, are you here? Greenfield, freshman. Okay, thanks. Okay, can you hear in the back? Level 2, honorable mention goes to Mark Bishop and David Gadberry. Third place goes to Vonda Hepley, God's Bible. Second place goes to Pete Benner, North Union. First place goes to Tony Nicholson. Technical drafting level 1. Honorable mention goes to Lane Miller and Travis Shinley. Third place goes to Chris Miller, Fairfield freshman. Second place goes to Matt Roller, North Union. First place goes to Bob Rule, Mount Gilead. Level 2. Honorable mention goes to Randy Baker and Richard Troush. Third place goes to Brian Moore, Indian Hill. Second place goes to John Sudicum, Nordonia. First place goes to Jeff Roush. Thomas and Shannon Gudgel. Third place goes to Dax Studebaker, Fairfield freshman. Second place goes to Joe Daniel, River Valley. First place goes to John Scheringer, Ottawa Middle. General knowledge level 2, honorable mention goes to Steve Hughes and Don Jackson. Third place goes to Mark Peters, Mount Gilead. Second place goes to Eric Dahl, Indian Hill. First place goes to Brian Schaefer, Troy. Research paper level 1. Second place goes to Bob Belcher, Mount Gilead. First place goes to Shannon Gray, Ottawa. Level 2, honorable mention goes to Tim Marsh. Third place goes to Jeff Miley, Mount Gilead. Second place goes to Cheryl Gunderson Mifflin. First place goes to Brian Moore, Indian Hill. Second place goes to Tim Waddell, Troy. First place goes to Dax Studebaker, Fairfield Freshman. Level 2, metric 500, honorable mention goes to Neil Shoemaker. Third place we have a tie. Scott Sullers of London and Rick Kalish of Nordonia. Second place goes to Jeff Streetrenack, I hope that's right, Nordonia. First place goes to Jim Hunt, Nordonia. Third place goes to Mount Gilead Freshman. place goes to Garfield Junior High. First place goes to Fairfield Freshman. Level 2, honorable mention goes to Greenfield High School. Third place goes to Indian Hill. Second place goes to Mount Gilead. First place goes to Mifflin High School.
Look out now, we got new blood.
First year's easiest.
And the following will be receiving awards for their
Chapter team, level 1. Third place goes to Fairfield Freshman. If you want to, you can bring your whole team up here. Second place goes to Greenfield McLean Freshman. First place goes to Mount Gilead Freshman. Level 2, honorable mention goes to God's Bible School and Indian Hill High School. Third place goes to Greenview High School. Second place goes to North College Hill. First place goes to Mount Gilead High Bring the team up, please. 3 people. Second place, Fairfield freshman. First place, River Valley. Second place, Indian Hill High School. The winner, and I must clarify this, those of you that witnessed this contest, the first contest this team was involved with this afternoon, was one of the most outstanding things I think I've seen since I've been the contest coordinator. It took 13 questions, and it took 4 sets of tiebreakers, 4 questions each, and it came down to 1 question, which eliminated another team. The team that won is Mount Gilead High School.
Again, in the area of manufacturing, high school division.
Contest of outstanding student level 1 will Dax Studebaker, Lorena West, and Travis Shinley, please come forward. Two will receive certificates for being finalists. One will receive the plaque. The outstanding student in level 1 is Travis Shinley. For level 2, for Mark Levy, Clarence Hughes, and Eric Bush. Please come forward. The outstanding student for level 2 is Eric Bush, Mount Gilead. Hold it there. Congratulations.
There's a couple people here from a couple other vocational youth organizations that have really helped out aiasa.
Say Jim Fox had a lot to do with this. Squeak, Jay, and Featherston. Outstanding chapter, level 1, third place goes to Mount Gilead freshman. Second place goes to Greenfield McLean freshman. First place goes to Fairfield freshman. Standing chapter level 2, third place goes to Indian Hill. Second place goes to North College Hill. First place goes to Mount Gilead. State champions, level 1. Third place goes to Ottawa Middle School. Second place goes to Fairfield freshman. place and the state champions of level 1 Mount Gilead. Level 2, third place, Indian Hill. Second place, Nordonia. Slide from Nordonia, please. Come forward. First place, state champions, Mount Gilead High School.
Okay. My name is Karen Sowers, and this is called a vertical compressed air engine with oscillating double acting cylinders. This is the piston, and it rotates around, and it hits with the there's clam disc in between this, and it rotates around, and it hits the valve, and it turns the wheel. And we're going to show you how it works.
And you can use this thing to move a conveyor belt or a car. This clamp disc right here opens and closes the valve. One valve makes the piston go up, and the other valve forces the air to make the piston go down. And then forces it to go back up, and that makes this wheel turn.
Yeah, that's about it.
You tell them, Dave. 1890 calories. I think I'm 45. Go ahead.
Okay. Parts of the robot. Okay, this is Brad, and I'm Jan, and we're going to tell you the parts of the robot. And this is the base, the bottom. Okay, and this is the base, which goes left and right, and this is the shoulder, and it goes up and down. And this is the elbow, which gets forwards and backwards. Okay, and this is pitch, and this is a manipulator. And it goes up and down. And okay, it also has grippers. It's the roll, and it opens and it rolls back and forth, turns. And then the grippers, which are right here, and they open and close to pick up things and everything. And
this is a relatively small robot compared to some of the ones that industrial industry uses. They have all the same parts. This is run by electricity. There are 3 more kinds of power supplies: hydraulics, pneumatic, and electricity. This one is this one can't pick up very heavy objects like the other one, and even that electric can't pick up that much. So we're going to show you what this is.
it is our program, but it's gonna mess up. Obviously, you can tell that we didn't edit it, so it did just mess up. It didn't pick it up there either.
You ready?
Yeah.
Continue right on. And this one. All right.
Your arcade camera.
Stop.
God, that is a disc. It does not belong.
Hey guys. This thing picks up sound that's 10 feet away.
Okay.
The praying hand.
My name is Pam, this is Brad, and this is a vertical compressed air. Oh, my name is Pam, this is Todd, and this is a vertical compressed air engine with double acting cylinders. These are the clam discs. Okay, these are the clam discs. These are the clam discs, and they act directly on the plungers of the valves. These are the valves, and when this valve activates the piston to go down, then when it goes around, it hits the other valve, and it pushes the air to make the piston go back up, and that's what makes the wheel turn. And you can use a single acting cylinder, but the double acting engine is smoothly, it delivers the power more smoothly. Okay, we're going to show you how it works.
You can use this to drive a car, conveyor belt, farm equipment, heavy things if you wanted to use the quick change or everything on here to drive and bring yourself.
That's about it?
What to do about getting them into paintings. This is a study for the first painting, which was about 2 years ago, or a year and a half ago. It's all elevation. Everybody familiar with elevation, right? There's no receding lines. All depth has to be done illusionistically with light and dark. Okay, here's another study. These studies are about 6 inches on the side. This painting's about 6 foot on the side, so it's about a 1 to 70, 1 to 80 relationship. But you can change a lot of things around on a small drawing. You can't change a lot of things around on a big painting very, very easily. The painting. Again, no receding lines. Black and white pencil study. Come on. There, color pencil study. Just to get an idea of what colors I like to use. The drawings could take several weeks, and the paintings take several minutes. The painting. You can see a direct relationship between the drawings and the paintings. It's a way of working it all out in advance, so there aren't too many surprises. Again, this drawing's about 8 inches maybe. Make a few revisions as it goes along. Finally, the painting. About 6.5 feet. Again, about 1 to 70. I'm very interested in drawing, and when you don't allow for any receding lines at all, it becomes almost impossible to get a lot of depth, which is perfect for painting because paintings are flat. There's the drawing. And this is a very tiny drawing. This drawing is probably only 5 inches on the side. And the painting was 60 inches on the side. Here's the one that I just finished. It's a type of cabana. It's supposed to be a seaside piece. And finally, the painting. And it's about 6.5 feet high. So it demonstrates the use of drawing as a tool rather than drawing as a means to an end.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Is it?
Yes, it's
Oh,
on.
is this? Well, I'm not ready yet.
Come on. You're wasting
Do I
recording
have-
time. Oh, Alan, you're such a bumhead.
I am.
Thanks,
No problem, though.
Take.
Name of your program? Mine? It's Alan Street.
Alan Free? A-L-L-A?
Is it recording, Doug?
It's on, Alan.
I'm Alan. I'm a part of Eddings Hill High School. I built a project. It's an electronic kit. Let's take it over.
Take 2.
I'm Alan Eberhard of Eddings Hill High School, and I built a kit from an electronic kit. What we have here is it's called a space machine gun, and what it does makes noises. What the space machine gun is supposed to make noises like arcade games, and it can be controlled. The gun can be controlled. Supposedly, the speed can be controlled by this thing. This little thingamajigger here. It's called a P1 or a perometer, tetranometer. Okay, and what it does here, when I plug these wires up to this, you hear that? Alright, see now I can regulate this. I can stop it if I press this button in right here. See this little lead, or LED? Right here, this lights up. Okay, you press this and it stops it. Alright, and this here controls the sound. Alright. This battery operated. Here's a little diagram. Get a close up on this diagram right here. No. Well, yeah, you can see it on first. Okay, this is what the diagram looks like. Here's the speaker right here. And the battery is right here. Okay, and right here we have, this is the direction manual for, makes it easier. And I've learned a lot from this. Gained great experience with the electronic program. Hope to do some more of this. Indian Hill High School is great. And I have a great teacher. Thank you, that's all.
You're still on tape. Okay.
Hello, my name is Carl Overberg and I attend Indian Hill High School. This quarter in robotics I had to work with pneumatics. Pneumatics is air and vacuum. Air pressure can be used either directly to drive equipment or by operating cylinders which can exert certain forces or produce movement which aid of a compressor. Okay, my project is a 2-cylinder compressed air engine. And I'll just show you how the flow of the air goes. Okay, the air flows into 3 valves, which is here, one back here. And when this roller level lever right here is pressed, it blows this thing up, which is called a double actuator, which makes the valves open and close, shutting the air on and off, which causes these cylinders to go up and down. I'll just show you it working.
Turn around and show what valve you're pressing.
Let's see. I learned that use compressed air is for many things, such as operating cylinders that by compressed air are formed in many clamping devices used to hold working pieces during machinery. Lifting platforms for the assembly line and repair of vehicles and machines often use lifting cylinders operated by compressed air. The brakes of commercial vehicles are operated pneumatically, which like air brakes for a bus or something. And compressed air is not a cheap form of energy. It's production by the means of a compressor. Compressor needs quite a lot of air, generally in the form of electricity. That's it.
Part of Indian Hill High School, and what I've done, I've working with a microbot, and I've learned great in this. This here, right here is a controller. You can program. You can do anything. Yeah, it's called a teach maneuver, or teach maneuver. And what it does is, or this is teach control. So this is a teach maneuver right here. What you do with this is you can move the robot and program this right here with that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run a program that I've done. What we'll do is pour this right here into the cup. So press mode, run. Or else I'll have to hold this because Mr. Dubs moved my cup.
Sullivan. Just cruise over, man.
Empty and grown.
There's no water in the car. Oh.
Test one, we better do that again tomorrow.
What is that
That's
stuff?
neat though, doesn't it? When it changes color?
Is that why you did that?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll put this ink spot there. We'll know where to put the
Gotta
cup.
go right where it goes. Dump that in the sink.
The following students
Oh, I'm
report
out of
today.
here.
Hello, my name is Eddie Watson. I'm a student at Indian Hill High School. The project I have built deals with Fisher Technics electromechanic. The electromechanic kit involves basic electronics, and it introduces you to new circuits, teaching you how to read circuit diagrams and how to construct a circuit. The circuit I've built deals with It demonstrates a light show with an economy circuit, but I have modified it a little. I have built a fan contraption on it. Before I demonstrate, some of the parts that's on this are the cam control disc. These things right here, they regulate the contact between the axles, which in turn light up these lights when contact is made. The motor is power source from the battery. And spring feet, this thing right here, this is like an on and off switch to control the lights and the fan. And I can, over here, this, I can control it hand. Okay, the flow of electricity is marked by these green wires. Can you get, there you go. Each wire with the green marking on it represents a negative flow of electricity. The other ones is positive. Okay, here's a demonstration. Back home. Close in, bud. Okay, by this on and off switch right here, I can control the light. See, as you move this way, as you see, the lights ain't on right now. When I make contact, they come on. And some possible uses for this circuit could be as an eye catcher in a toy store, in a display window, and to get someone's attention and probably as a stoplight controller. By adding the fan, the circuit could be used as a possible cooling system for a house. I just turned off the contact and, well, that's it. That's it.
I'm Alan Everhard of Beacon Hill High School. My project was to program the microbot to take this cup and dump the water that's in this cup into this little chemical base, whatever. What this is officially called the teach maneuver, or teach mover. This is the arm of the robot itself, and you have the gripper, and how it's run is run by pulleys inside the. And we have the robot connected up with this wire. This wire runs through this Apple computer over here, and we program all our shit on there. Okay. With this programs the robot itself right here. This is it's called a teach control. You've got all your different kinds of motions. Right here you've got your record button, the run button, you got a mode button. You have all these nice little buttons and all these nice little lights. Okay. And right now I'm going to show you, I've already got it booted up in the computer. I'm going to show you how this little gadget works here. Okay, now remember this cup's going to dump it into this right here. Alright, I might want to get a close up on this. Close it up. Ready? Okay, I'm going to run it. I might have to do a little movement. Can't pick it up. Well, this is fucked up. That's about it.
Benji Cook and who else? What's this?
That's not on, is it? Don't put that over here. No comment. No comment. No comment. We're not smashed. Wish we were. Motorcycle wreck. Knight Rider, right here. Remember, there's a drum break. Well, there's a drum break there. Okay, yeah. Which class is
out up here in the crowd.
Hey, that boy.